This
Yes.
conference will now be recorded.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes.
Good. Thank you. So let me share my screen, guys. My screen. The people who are joined today, Harish, Karthikey, Yashwant Kumar, Padmashri, Sana, Abdul Jamal, Krishna Reddy, Sai, Mukesh, Suresh Reddy, Krishna, Naresh, Harish, Sai. Okay, guys. Good morning, everyone, guys. Am I audible?
Unmuted.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Someone need to mute, guys. Okay. So let us start the class. Guys. Good morning. Let us start the class. Someone need to mute some sound, some noise around you. Bhargav, please mute from your side. Bhargav, Amit Pandey, please mute. Thank you, guys. So let us start the class. Last class we discussed about what is Salesforce. Only that point we discussed in the last session. Salesforce is a vendor company. Started in 1999, San Francisco, California. This company runs on the concept name is called cloud computing. The CEO of this company is Mark Benioff. So as I told yesterday, there are three important key players in IT industry. The first player is vendor companies or product-based companies like Microsoft, IBM, Salesforce. The second type of company is called service-based companies or development companies like Tech Mahindra, CTS, CT, TCS, Wipro. These are all comes under development companies. And the third person is clients. Clear, all of you? So there are three important key players in IT industry. The people who are not attended yesterday's session, please take the people who are not attended yesterday's session. Yesterday only I started the session. You missed only one session, guys. You missed only one class. You can take the recording from the management of OnlineITvidhya. Understand, all of you? So there are three important key players in IT industry: vendor companies, development companies, and clients. Vendor companies developing software products like operating system, programming languages, etc. Using those products, development companies are developing the software applications as per the requirement of clients. And clients are going to use software applications in their business. So what are the advantages of using software applications in their business? Yesterday we discussed about the three advantages. The first advantage, it saves your time. Second advantage, it provides a security. The third advantage, scalability. These are the three advantages we discussed. Understand? And also we discussed about the difficulties of using software applications. So both clients and development companies, they need to keep on installing the software, upgrading the software, and also maintaining the software. This is the traditional model. So comprising of installation, upgradation, maintenance can be called as setup cost. Setup cost will increase for development companies and as well as clients. Day by day, like anything. So to avoid this problem, vendor companies come up with a new concept name is called cloud computing. So these are the points in the last class we discussed. Three important points we discussed. What is Salesforce? Second point, what are the advantages of using software applications? Third point is what are the difficulties of using software applications. Understand all of you? So these are the three major important points in the last class we discussed. I hope all of you understand, all of you remember. The people who are not attended yesterday's class, please take the recordings from the management of OnlineITvidhya. Understand? Good. So shall we start today's class, guys? Shall we start today's class? I'll start today's class within 1 minute. Please wait. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, the next point. The next point, what I'm going to discuss is what is today's class? What is today's date? 28th, 28th, 07, 21. Second day. Yesterday only I started the session. That is 27, 07, 21. This is the second day. I'm going very slow, guys. If anybody have any doubts, without any hesitation, do interrupt me and ask the questions. Don't sit idle. Understand? Nobody speaking. What happened? It's one person.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir.
Good. Don't hesitate. Understand, Sai? Good. Now, coming to second point, second day. What is the first point is what is cloud computing? What is cloud computing? What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a concept. Yeah, Rubin, yesterday's topic, please take the recordings from the management of, what is this? OnlineITvidhya. Understand? Anyway, I'll recap the point, no problem. Okay? So you do not miss much more. So it is a concept, or I can say it is a technology. Cloud computing is a concept or a technology. Here, observe carefully what I'm writing here. Whatever IT services means it may be hardware service or it may be software service also. Whatever IT services we require, we in the sense both client or development companies require, everything will provide by vendor company. So as a user, we just need only internet connection and access those services. This is the meaning of cloud computing. Once again repeating, everybody please read this paragraph. It is a concept or a technology. Here, whatever IT services means it might be hardware service or it might be software service. We in the sense, either client or development companies are required. Everything will provide by whom? Vendor companies. So as a user, we just need only what? Internet connection and access those services. Hardware service means what here? What is the meaning of hardware service? Hardware services. There are two types of services given by cloud computing. Listen carefully. What is hardware service here? Hardware service means they will provide memory space. Vendor company provides what? Memory space. Vendor company provides what? Networking. Vendor company provides what? Networking. Okay. Vendor company provides what? Servers. Here, all of you. Everything comes under what? Hardware service. Memory space, or it may be network, it may be servers, everything comes under hardware service. Coming to software. Software service means what? Software service means they will provide operating system, they will provide programming languages, they will provide databases, etc. It all comes under what? Software service. So here vendor company provides hardware service and also what? Software service. The combination of hardware service and software service can be called as IT services, which is provided by vendor company to clients and development companies. So as a user, just we need what? Internet connection and access those services. All of you understand? Once again, I'm repeating. Listen carefully, all of you. Cloud computing is a concept or a technology. Here, whatever services, IT services we require, both hardware and software, which is provided by vendor company to whom? Clients and development companies over the internet. As a user, we just need only what? Internet connection and access those services. Just try to understand the paragraph. I hope all of you understand English. Whatever paragraph I typed here, I hope you can understand the meaning of this cloud computing. Am I clear? If anybody have any doubts, you can ask the questions. Amit, Suresh Reddy, good, thank you. Sai,
Clear.
Karthik, everyone,
Yes,
everyone
clear.
understand?
Everything clear.
Thank you, thank you. So, as a user, we just need only what? Internet connection and access those services. So, how much services we are using? Only for those services we need to pay. This is called pay per use. The name itself implies what is this? Pay per use. How much services we are using? Only for those services we need to pay. This is called what? Pay per use. The name itself implies how much services we are using. For that service only we need to pay. We no need to pay anything extra. All of understand, guys. This can also be called as plug and play, and can also be called as IT services on demand. There are three names, guys. Plug and play, IT services on demand, or pay per use. How much services we are using? For only those services we need to pay. This is called what? This is called what? Pay per use. I'll come to the point. What is platform as service on it? Please wait. Down the line, within 2 minutes, I will tell you. Okay, please wait. Pay per use. How much services we are using? For those services only we have to pay. For your better understanding regarding cloud computing, I will give you a very simple example. For your better understanding, listen my example very carefully. Let me take a small example. Listen to class carefully, all of you. Please concentrate. I want to browse or I want to check my mails every day. Okay, minimum 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. Or maximum 5 to 10 minutes, suppose. Maximum 5 to 10 minutes. Just try to understand my question point clearly. What is this? I want to browse or check my mails every day, maximum 5 to 10 minutes. For that, I need to buy one laptop. Yes or no? This cost around how much? This cost around how much? Near about 40 to 50K. Correct or not? 50,000 rupees I have to spend. After that, I need to install some software like operating system and all. For installation charges, I need to pay. need about 2,000, 2K or 3K. That's our approximately for installation charges. Then after, I need to take internet connection. So for installation charges, I have to pay near about 2,000. And also every month I need to pay the rent. Yes or no? Near about
Yes.
1,000 rupees or 2,000. Understood? Listen to the class very carefully. That is important. Okay. I need to buy some router. Cost around near about 2K. Approximately I have to spend near about 60,000 rupees altogether. Am I correct or not? Tell me, for checking my mails every day, maximum 5 to 10 minutes, 60,000 rupees investment is idle investment or waste investment? Tell me. I think it's a waste investment. Am I correct or not? Because only
Yes,
5
sir.
to 10 minutes per day. It's waste. 60,000 rupees investment is waste. Correct or not? Good. That is
Yes,
why
yes.
I'm simply going to internet center near my home. Internet center. Here I am going to check my mails. Okay. 5 minutes or 10 minutes maximum. I pay just only 10 rupees and come back. Yes or no? There ends the
Yes.
matter. So I no need to purchase laptop. I no need to install any software. I no need to take an internet connection. I no need to pay any rent. I no need to buy any routers. Yes or no?
Yes.
Simply I go there where internet center. I browse my bills. I check my mails 10 minutes. I pay 10 rupees and come back. Simple. There ends the matter. Now tell me, in the internet center, who purchased all the systems? Internet center owner. Yes or no? Who installed
Yes.
the
Yes.
software? Internet center owner. Who took the internet connection? Internet center owner. Who need to pay the rent for every month? Every month, internet center owner. Who need to buy the routers and modems? Internet center owner. Yes or no? So everything will be taken care of by internet center owner. As a user, simply I go there, access the service and come back. I just pay the amount. That's it. Am I correct or not?
Yes. Yes.
So this is called cloud computing. This is only cloud computing. And here also, here internet center owner is nothing but vendor company. Understand all of you? Internet center owner is nothing but vendor company. Here also, whatever services I require, everything provided by whom here, vendor company, and how much services I'm using, for that service only have to pay to vendor company people. This concept name is called what here? Pay-per-use model or plug and play model. Understand all of you?
Yes.
Or IT services on demand. So this is the concept of what? Cloud computing. So in traditional model, development companies and clients, everybody, they have to install, they have to upgrade, they have to maintain the software on their own. But once cloud computing come into the picture, okay, installation, maintenance, upgradation, everything will be taken home. Everything will be taken care of a vendor company. Then automatically, clients and development companies will release the button. Automatically, clients and development companies will release the button from the upgradation, installation, and maintenance. Yes or no? That is a major advantage of what here, cloud computing. Is all of you understand the concept of cloud computing now, right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Everyone,
sir.
with my example, crystal clear? Abdul
Yes.
Jamal, good, good, thank you. Saraswati, Sai Saraswati, good, thank you, ma.
Clear.
Okay,
Clear.
Padmasri, good, good, thank you very much. With my example, I hope all of you understand. Naresh, good. Next, next. We need to pay the rent to Sai. We need to pay the rent to whom? Vendor company. So in terms of rent, they will get the revenue, they will get the business, they will get the profit. Understand everyone? Good. But second point is what kind of services vendor company provides. Keep on saying that vendor company provides services. What kind of services vendor company provides? Vendor company provides basically three types of services. How many? Three types.
Three
The first
types.
type of service can be called as IaaS. The second type of service can be called as PaaS. The third type of service can be called as what? PaaS. Or I can say AaaS. Understand all of you? IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service. Platform as a service. Software as a service. Or application as a service. Understand everyone here? Like that, vendor company provides how many types of services here? Speak out. Three types of services. Yes or no? Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service or application as a service. Listen the class carefully and try to understand. Okay. Infrastructure as a service means here vendor company provides. Here vendor company provides hardware as a service. I already told you what does hardware means. Hardware means what? Hardware means what here? Hardware means memory space, network, servers. Or no? Good. So here vendor company provides hardware as a service. Okay. To the clients, the development companies called what? Infrastructure as a service. Okay. Second one, platform as a service. Here, everybody please read the notes. Here, vendor company provides operating system, programming language, database as a service to the clients and development companies is called, what is this? Next, last and final one, software as a service. Here, vendor company provides software, or I can say application directly as a service. Then is called point clear all of you. Like that, vendor company provides three types of services: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Infrastructure as a service means vendor company provides hardware as a service to the clients and development companies. This is called what? This is called what? Infrastructure as a service. Platform as a service means here vendor company provides operating system, programming languages, databases as a service to the clients and development companies. That is called PaaS. Software as a service means here vendor company provides application directly as a service. Then it is called what? Software as a service or application service. Clear all of you? See guys. Amazon company is the top number one company in the world. Top one company in the world. Top one company in the world. Gives what? Which gives infrastructure as service. Understand all of you? Which company is the top number one company in the world? Amazon company. The second one is what? Platform as service. Tell me guys, what is platform as service? Here vendor company provides what? Operating system, programming language, database as service. Then that kind of service you can call it as what? Platform as service. Listen class very carefully. This point is very important. Okay, this point is very important. Chandana, that is wrong answer. Shravan Kumar, that is also wrong. The platform which is given by Salesforce, the platform, that is wrong, Naresh. The platform which is given by Salesforce, no Pavan. The platform which is given by Salesforce is called force.com. What is the platform name given by Salesforce? Force.com. That is a platform given to the developers. Okay. On this platform, developers develop the application as per the requirement of the clients. All of you understand? Actually, force.com is the old name, guys. The new name can be called as, what is this? Anybody knows? Yeah, Lightning platform. The old name can be called as force.com. The new name can be called as Lightning platform. So in case of infrastructure as service, Amazon company is the top number one company. Now Sai got a doubt here. Sir, which company is the top number one company? The area of platform as a service. The area of PaaS. That is Salesforce. The top number one company in the world. Top one company in the world. Which gives, what is this? Platform as a service. Salesforce given a very beautiful platform for the developers to develop applications. Salesforce given very strongest platform for the developers. Salesforce given very strongest platform for the developers to develop the application very quickly. That is why it can be called as RAD. Is anybody heard the name called RAD? RAD stands for Rapid Application Development. What is the meaning of rapid? Rapid means quick application development. We can develop the application very quickly. Suppose take the example, if you take Java technology, or if you take .NET technology, or if you take any Python, you take any technology, if you want to develop any application, on these technologies, like any enterprise application, enterprise application means? Enterprise application is the combination of three different applications. Listen careful, all of you. Business application. Second application name is called CRM application. The third application can be called as what? Integration application. The combination of the comprising of all these three applications can be called as what? Something like enterprise application. Enterprise application combination of three different applications. Business application, CRM application, and integration application. So what is business application here? Short name is BA. Business application. This application handles business activities in the company. Business activities in the company. Clear, all of you. And the CRM application. What the CRM stands for? What the CRM stands for? Any one of you please tell me. What the CRM stands for?
Customer relationship management.
Very good. Customer relationship management. Customer relationship management. This application. No, that is wrong, Pallavi. That is wrong, Pallavi. SAP is not comes under PaaS. SAP is a company, Pallavi. That company given so many so many applications. Okay. SAP is a company just like Salesforce. Customer relationship management, not manager, sorry. Customer relationship management. This application handles the or deals with customers. Deals with what? Customers. Next one. We will discuss down the line what is CRM completely. Okay. Yeah, these are all examples of PaaS only. These are all examples of PaaS. Platform as service. On this platform, developers can develop what? Enterprise application. The enterprise application is the combination of three different applications. Business application, CRM application, and what? Integration application. It's all comes under PaaS only. Integration application. Integration application means communication between heterogeneous applications. Communication between what? Heterogeneous applications. Clear all of you? Good. For your better understanding, I'm giving you a simple example. I hope all of you know about Microsoft is a company that provides PaaS also. Understand? Microsoft is a company that provides PaaS service. Like that, Salesforce is a company that provides PaaS service. In the same way, Microsoft is a company that is also provides PaaS service, platform as service. Let me discuss about integration application, bookmyshow application. Using bookmyshow application, we can book the tickets through online. Yes or no? Suppose I want to go to a movie, I book the ticket through bookmyshow. Okay, my amount gets deducted from HDFC Bank payment gateway. So I have the account in HDFC Bank. I book the ticket through bookmyshow. Then amount gets deducted from where? My account. My account in where? HDFC Bank. It means that bookmyshow application is going to communicate with what? HDFC Bank application, and HDFC Bank application is going to communicate with bookmyshow application. So we don't know bookmyshow application developed on which technology. Suppose let us assume bookmyshow application developed in Java technology, and HDFC Bank application, let us assume .NET technology. Both are completely different technologies, but even though they can communicate with each other, how it is possible? In between these two applications, there is another application plays an important role. That application can be called as what? Integration application. So integration application plays an important role whenever we need to communicate with two different applications, two different technologies. Integration application. Understand all of you? Everybody understand? Very clear explanation, guys. Listen the class carefully and try to understand. Very clear explanation. Whatever word I'm delivering from my mouth, everything I'm typing here. If you read the notes, you can understand the concept clearly. Very clear. So enterprise application is the combination of how many? Three different applications. Business application, CRM application, and integration application. Business application handles business activities in the company. CRM application handles what? Application deals with the customer. Integration application communicate between the heterogeneous. I'll get some example also. Everybody please mute from your side. I'm getting some noise. Excuse me. I'm requesting all of you. The combination of all these three applications, you can call it as what? Enterprise application. Excuse me. Excuse me. Someone need to mute. Clear, guys? So if you want to develop the enterprise application by using Java, .NET, or Python, whatever it is, at least it takes minimum 3 to 4 years time to develop the entire application. Minimum how much? 3 to 4 years time to develop the complete enterprise application. But the same kind of application, if you want to develop The same kind of application, if you want to develop on Force.com platform, which is given by Salesforce, or Lightning platform, which is given by Salesforce, okay, we can develop within maximum 8 to 9 months of time. Coding part is very reduced, guys. If you take Java.NET, completely based on coding, 100% coding only. Coding part is more in Java and .NET. But whereas in Salesforce, coding part is very less. That is why we can develop the application very quickly in Salesforce. That is the reason the clients are interested to use what? Salesforce only. Clear, all of you? Down the line, listen carefully, all of you. By 2022 ending, listen the class very carefully. By 2022 ending, Salesforce company need 1.1 million developers. That much of huge requirement is there in the market. Understand, all of you? It is not my word, guys. Asian company or Asia region head Sunil Jose told this point. Sunil Jose is the Asia region head for some Salesforce company. By 2022, Salesforce need 1.1 million developers, especially in Asian countries like India, Singapore, Pakistan, and all, Bangladesh. Only Asian region. Clear, all of you? Be careful, guys. This is the right time to set in the job. This is the right time to crack the entry in Salesforce. Huge requirement on Salesforce, guys. Especially, if you know about Lightning, just 40-50% knowledge also will get the job. That kind of huge requirement is there. If you go Java, .NET, if you go Python or any other technology, okay, for 3 to 4 years experienced people, listen carefully. For 3 to 4 years experienced people, hardly they will get only, okay, 10 lakhs per year. 10 lakhs per year, hardly. But in Salesforce platform, if you show 3 to 4 years experience, okay, you can expect more than 50 lakhs. That much of huge requirement is there. As far as salary point of view is concerned, comparatively other technologies, you will get more pay on Salesforce platform. Understand, all of you? It is not my word. You can search in the Google also. Clear, all of you guys? That much of huge requirement is there. Yes, Kartikeya, after 1 year only. Yes, just now I got a message from Kartikeya. His friend has been having only 1 year experience. He is drawing more than 15 lakhs per year. Just now I got a message from Kartikeya, your batch only. I just saw the message. That much of huge requirement is there, guys. And this is the right time to learn the course. And this is the right time to crack the job. All of you understand? By 2022, Salesforce require 1.1 million jobs. Yes, obviously, Sairam. Please believe me, especially Lightning is more important. Lightning. So in future, I'm going to start LWC also. Do you know LWC? Even freshers and as well as experience also, you will get the jobs.
Web component.
Lightning
Yeah,
web
Lightning
component.
web components. Hot market in the market, hot cake in the market. Lightning web components. Listen carefully. See, guys, one important point I need to tell at this particular point of time. On Salesforce, you will get the jobs, both freshers and as well as experience. You'll get the jobs as freshers and as well as experience. Suppose if you got a job as a fresher, you can get less than 10 lakh salary. If you have an experience, you will get more than 10 lakhs. That's it. Clear, all of you? After completion of the class, means after completion of the entire syllabus of you, okay, I will take the mock interview. Suppose. Clear, all of you? If I feel the candidate is good, I will forward your resumes to my company. All of you understand, guys? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. And one more important point I need to tell at this particular point of time. The people who do not have any programming language knowledge, programming skills before, don't bother. Sir, I don't have any programming language knowledge, sir. I came from different background. I'm from MBA background, sir. I'm from commerce background, sir. I'm from arts background. So can I understand programming language or not? Don't bother. Don't bother, guys. I'm going to write in capital letters. I will make each one of you in the class masters in programming. I will make each one of you. I will make each one of you in the class what? Masters in programming. The only thing you have to follow me. You have to follow me, guys. That's it. You have to follow me. If you follow my words, if you follow my assignments every day, what I'm giving, you have to complete the assignments every day, because every day I'm going to give the assignments at the end of the session. You have to post your answers in the group. If you follow my assignments, if you attend the mock interviews, at the end of the syllabus, within 2-3 months, definitely you'll get the job, guys. Within 2-3 months, I can challenge. You blindly follow my words, that's it. Don't listen anyone. You blindly follow my words. I'll make you masters in programming.
Clear, sir.
I'm going to start the class. What is language onwards? What is variable onwards? Understand all of you? My approach is altogether different. I'm not like other trainers. My approach is altogether different, programming guys. Altogether different. You can compare my notes with other faculties. I can challenge. You will not get my notes anywhere in the market. Understand all of you? So be careful, guys. This is the right time to join the course. This is the right time to practice. This is the right time to crack the interview. This is the right time to get the job. Understand? The only thing you have to follow me. Please follow me. That's it. Nothing more than that. Every day I'm going to give the assignments on each and every topic. That's it. Clear? So that is a platform given by Salesforce. What is a platform given by Salesforce here? See, once registrations are completed, Abdul, once registrations are completed, you people are going to create the WhatsApp group, guys. Understand? Create the WhatsApp group, you people. Clear? Every day I'm going to give the assignments in the group. You have to post the answers in the group. I will touch with you in the group every moment. No problem. Okay. 24/7, 365 days. I will available. Okay, guys. So that's about the PaaS. On this platform, developers can develop the application, and whatever application developers develop, okay, if they're giving this application directly as a service, then that kind of service you can call it as what? Software as a service or application as a service. Clear all of you guys? Software as a service or application as a service. Sorry, Surabhi. Sorry, Surabhi Chopra. I cannot disclose my company name. Because I have some HR problems. Sorry, guys. Clear all of you. Just try to understand my position. Every day running notes I'll post in the group. I don't know about the registration fees and all. Please ask to management of the OnlineITvidhya people. Okay. Regarding any financial matters. Thank you. So That kind of service we can call it as what here? Software as service or application service. Good. Okay. Now here Google company is the top #1 company in the world. Irrespective of any background, guys, I got a message from somebody else here. Sir, I was into civil side, sir. 2 years experience in civil side. Can I enter into this field? See, guys, listen carefully. You believe it or not, one of my students, his name is Sriram. He is having almost 25 to 30 years experience. 25 to 30 years experience in sales. You don't know what is the abbreviation of computer also. What is the definition of computer also. But he cracked the job on Salesforce. Now he is working on Salesforce. Believe it or not, he is a student. Still, I remember his name, Sriram. You know what is his age? 45 years. His age is 45 years. Understand? Irrespective of your background, no problem. Whether it's civil engineer or ECE background or EEE background, any background, no problem. Clear, all of you? Good. So, Google company is the top #1 company in the world which gives what? Platform as service. Sorry, software as service. Clear, all of you? You know about Gmail. Gmail is an application or not? Gmail is an application. Yes or no? So Gmail application developed by whom?
Yes.
Google company. Okay. 99% people are using what? Gmail application nowadays. Everybody having Gmail account. That is why Google company is the top #1 company in the world which gives software as a service. Am I clear with this part of my explanation? So in today's class, we just discussed about only 2 important points. The first point, what I discussed in today's session is, what is the definition of cloud computing? That's it. First point. What is the definition of cloud computing? Okay. Cloud computing is a technology or a concept. Here, whatever IT services we require, everything provided by vendor company. As a user, we just need only what? Internet connection and access those services. And how much services we are using, for that service only we need to pay. This is called pay-per-use model. I given some example also for your understanding. The second point, what I discussed is what kind of services cloud computing provides. Cloud computing basically provides 3 types of services: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Okay, good. Okay, infrastructure as service, platform as service, software as service. Clear, all of you? Infrastructure means vendor company provides hardware as service. Platform means vendor company provides operating system, programming language, database as service. Salesforce software as service means providing application directly as service can be called as software as service. Amazon company is the top #1 company in the world which gives infrastructure as service. Salesforce company is the top #1 company in the world which gives platform as service. And Google company is the top #1 company in the world which gives platform as a software as a service. Clear, all of you? So only 2 points as of now we discussed. Point number 1 is what is what? Cloud computing. Second point, what are the types of service? Clear, all of you? Hello? Here?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So I'll catch you tomorrow, same time, 7 o'clock. Okay? We'll continue some other point.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
So I will share the running notes, no problem, guys. I will share the running notes, no problem. Clear, all
Thank
of
you,
you?
sir. Yes, sir.
Once registrations are completed, I will share the running notes. We will create a
Okay,
group,
sir.
then I will share. Thank you, guys.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Any doubts regarding today's class? Thank you.